What's up, team? Angela Gargano here, 4-time American Ninja Warrior and pull-up expert, and today we're going to talk all about how to get unstuck from the bottom of your pull-up, okay? Does this sound like you're hanging on the bar and you just can't get past the bottom of your pull-up, but when you do it with an assisted band, for some reason you can crank them out? There's a reason to that, okay? So today in this video, we're going to talk about why the assisted bands and the machines don't work, okay? And we're also gonna go through 4 drills that you can do to really help you get unstuck at the bottom of your pull-up. If you like this video today, make sure you like and subscribe. And I also have a 6-day free pull-up guide where I go over a ton of drills and full workouts that you can do in order to improve your pull-up. So let's get right to it. So let's talk about this thing, this assisted band, okay? And the thing is, I don't want to tell you not to use it, okay? But it is doing you a disservice because it is really helping you at the hardest part of your pull-up, which is the bottom piece of it, okay? So let's check this out. When you put this up and around your assisted band here, you're looping it through, okay? Check out what this band does. You put your foot in, you put your hand on either side, and look, it's literally going to bounce you up at that first part of your pull-up. And guess what? When you take that band away, you haven't built the strength up for the bottom of the pull-up, right? But you've built up the strength for the other pieces of the pull-up, which is great, okay? So I want you to just use your assisted bands properly. Another thing I want you to think about, if you're using an assisted band that you're cranking out like 20 of these with no problem, you probably have to go with a lighter band, okay? You want to use a band that is actually going to allow your muscles to work. You don't want it to do all the work for you, right? Because you want to be able to get rid of this thing. You don't want to have it anymore. Let's go through 4 drills to help you at the bottom of your pull-up, and you're going to use the band for some of these, okay? First one that we're going to do here is we're going to do Shrug Lat Pull-Downs, okay? So you're going to keep the band on the bar, okay? Drop down to your knees. Reach your hands super high, okay? I want you to think about getting your arms as straight as you possibly can here, okay? First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna shrug, okay? Notice here, shrugged. And then you're gonna pull your elbows back and down to your rib cage and then back up. What a lot of people do and a lot of the mistakes people have when they do these is they're just doing this. And again, what are you missing, right? You're missing activating the lat and the first part of the pull-up. So you're gonna wanna shrug and then pull it back. Okay, really hold it at the bottom for 2 seconds, build that strength, keep that core nice and tight, bring it back up. Shrug, pull it back down, okay? It's a great way to help you at the bottom of your pull-up. If you're really feeling like you're having a hard time with the mind-body connection to get the lat to work, which is a whole other video and a whole other thing we can go to, right? You might actually be strong enough to get your pull-up, but your mind and your body may not be connecting. It may not understand how to actually get this to work. You can actually do these single-armed, and while you're doing this, you can tap the lat, literally tap it, think about it, tell it to work. You'll shrug, and you'll pull the elbow down. Shrug, tapping it, pull the elbow down. Okay, so it's a great drill for you to do here, okay? Next movement, you're gonna move the band over, and you're gonna go into something called an active hang, okay? So you'll jump up to the bar, hands shoulder width apart, cross those feet behind you, you can put your thumbs under over the bar, and you're going to shrug, and you're just gonna hold here at the top, okay? And then relax. Shrug and hold, and then relax. Again, it's getting that bottom piece of your pull-up to work. It's getting your lats to work, something that the band doesn't allow you to do. And again, it's why you're getting stuck. Then we've got 2 more movements that I really love. We've got these shrug pull-up. So you're gonna use the band, but like I said, right, it helps you with the bottom of the pull-up. So we're gonna force ourselves to actually use the bottom of the pull-up with our band. So again, a nice light band. If it's just flinging you up, you wanna go lighter. Hands shoulder width apart, cross your foot over. You're gonna shrug and then do a 4th pull. Shrug and a 4th pull. Why am I not going all the way up above the bar yet? Why do you think, right? Because this is the area we really want to strengthen, right? So why even go all the way up right now, right? Really focus on that bottom piece of the drill so that you can conquer it without the band. Okay, so just a little bit of the pull. Shrug, a 4th way pull with a nice light band. And last but not least, you can try the shrug pull-up, where you shrug and you do the full pull-up, okay? So put your foot in, hands on either side, cross your foot over, shrug, pull it up. Shrug, pull it up. So we're putting and forcing our body to work the muscles that are normally being taken over by the band so that you can actually conquer it. Hope these tips were helpful for you. If you liked this, make sure you like and subscribe to my page. And you can also grab my 6-day free pull-up guide, which will give you a ton of different things that you can do in order to finally get that pull-up and get unstuck, right? Get unstuck from those pull-ups. So hope to see you get your pull-up, and I'll see you soon.